Hello folks, today we're going to talk about a water indicator by Integrity Products. This water indicator has a water sensitive ball inside a canister that will expand within 24 to 48 hours of presence of water under the installation. The water indicator installs quite similar to the drain plug, and when installing this product, please wear all proper PPE to minimize the risk of any type of personal injury. Thank you, and we'll show you the installation of this product now. Okay folks, we're going to now install our water indicator. We take our cordless drill, put it at the bottom of our pipe. Move our little piece of metal out of the way. That drain plug core that we cracked off, use the serrated edge of that to core out the insulation. This one is approximately 3-4 inches. Take our silicone grommet, put in place, and then take our water indicator, and that just shoves up in place there. As you can see, when it's blaze orange, that means indication of water. To reset it, just shove it up in place. And within 24 to 48 hours, if there's any water presence, you'll see the blaze orange from the water sensitive ball expanding inside of the canister. Thank you for watching this video. And as always, please wear your appropriate PPE to reduce any type of personal injury. And have a great day, folks. Bye-bye.